rare, because for people to express that true speech is rare, and real is rare in life. Action defines that you are going to create some good for you in your life, because lying down and giving up is not going to create any results. So you've got to now recognize that you have to create a space within yourself that's pivotal. So nothing can, even if it pushes you from the side, you almost fall down, but you bounce back again. It's like those beautiful executive toys that you see on the desks. So you recognize that you are at a pivotal crossroad. So if you're at a pivotal crossroad, it means that you can make the choice. Trust the power of your human ability, because you have amazing human abilities.